So basically it says drill it, tap it, turn it, grip it, and it's as simple as that. Hi everyone and happy Christmas. Well, happy Christmas yesterday. We are actually recording this video for tomorrow because it's been a little bit short time. It's 26th of December. My video is meant to come out tomorrow. Got the kids here. We're playing around, just opened our presents because didn't have them yesterday. Anyway, let's go over why I'm making this video, and it is all about plasterboard fixings. Okay, you're probably thinking corkscrews or toggle bolts, something like that, but I'm going to be showing you something else. So if you want to hang something really heavy on a plasterboard wall, these are going to get you out of trouble, and they are absolutely fantastic. So stay tuned, watch to the end, don't go away, because these are pretty special, these ones. See you in a bit. Right, so I'm here on my son's new gaming beanbag. Fantastic. We just set up the computer. We're going to have a little go on his old computer. We just thought we'd plug in the PS4. But going off topic, as I always do, I'm going to be talking about these little plasterboard fixings, okay? So these are fantastic. These will allow you to hang something up to 74 kilos in weight, okay, with these particular fixings on plasterboard. Not timber, not concrete, nothing. It's just plasterboard. You are going to need a 10mm void at the back. So if you've got dot and dab, so if your plasterboard is being glued on, you've got to watch out for those dot and dabs, because if you drill here in that particular space, you'll either have to scoop out the dot and dab where it's holding on to create a little mini void, or re-drill a new hole, because these fixings require them. So yeah, so this is what they look like. They are pretty big, pretty elaborate, and they've got little metal wings at the back. So the wings spread out by turning the little screw in the center, like so. Okay, and so this is why you're going to need a void at the back. Plasterboard is generally, what is it, 12mm, something like that. So this thickness I'm going to show you right now. So these plasterboard fixings, before you push them out, are 15mm. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is, once you drill the hole, you push this out like so, and then you will get your screwdriver, aka knife, whatever you have to hand, like I do because I'm at home just on Boxing Day, and then you just turn and it will open and close the wings like so. It's only a half a turn, and that is it. So basically you're going to need that space from, sorry, Louis banging around rummaging through the toy cupboard. So now we have got a total depth of about 18mm, okay, ish. The plasterboard fixing will go up to this point. So once it's in the wall, you will have a lip of the thickness of this front little plate, okay, which is about 1mm. So be aware of that. So if you are fitting a bracket on or something like that, it's not going to be 100% tight up against that plasterboard, because this collar needs to sit over the front, okay, so it doesn't get pulled in, I suppose. But it's got these little tabs as well. If you have a look round, can you see those, Bertie? These little tabs here to stop it spinning as well. So basically you drill your hole with a flat bit. This is a flat bit, okay. I use the spade bit, flat bit. It's got a point. You drill straight through where you want it. So what you do is you push that into the hole. Once you've drilled your hole, you knock it in, so these little tabs then locate and really bite into the plasterboard. You push it through, and then all you do is you give it half a turn with your screwdriver. Yeah, and that is it. That is all you're going to need to do. It's as simple as that. But once they are in, that isn't the complete fixing. Obviously you're going to need to fix into that. You're thinking, what screw do I use? And I didn't use any other fixings. I went for these because I wanted to use a screw rather than a bolt. I wanted to use my own gear if I needed to. If I want to just be able to put a wood screw through anything I want, through a bracket, through a piece of metal, whatever I want to fix, through a shelf. So I saw these and it said it comes with 5 30s. Okay, 5 times 30. 5 is the head size, 30 is the length. And I thought, oh, that's great. It's perfect. It's a nice chunky screw, because a 4 by 30 is a lot thinner. 5s are chunkier, got chunkier thread, and I like these. for giving you a nice bite. But I've got 40s and 50s in my bag, my toolbox also. So they're 50mm long. So I had to fix, if you see in the photos, I had to fix brackets to the wall. This is what I made for a customer. I made those brackets, you can see right at the top, or the picture out right there now. That I needed to go through the bracket of 20mm, and this wasn't really going to cut it, because I had to get through the bracket and into this and tighten up, and I didn't think it was long enough. So I simply used a 50mm version of this, a 5x50. But if you are fixing something thin, for example, you're fixing a plate or something very thin, up to 5mm or so, give or take, then the 30s will probably work for you. But if you're fixing something thicker, like you see in the photo, my brackets, just go for longer screws. And that is why I liked these particular plasterboard fixings, because they allow me to use the screws rather than bolts, and it was more versatile. Hence, having a whole bag here. And yeah, so once you have got that on the wall, like I said a minute ago, you poke that through, you turn it to open the wings. You've got the wings open. You simply put that through your bracket or whatever you're trying to fix, tighten it up, and then that will enter the inside of your bracket. And then it's got a nice rigid bit of plastic in the inside. It really, really does grip. Just don't over tighten, okay? So when you tighten it, maybe use a screwdriver, or if you're handy with a drill, just know that the torque settings of your drill, you can feel it with your finger as you're nipping it up. Don't over tighten it. It's not designed to be rammed in like a raw plug, but they are fantastic. They got me out of trouble because I've never used anything like this before. I've used corkscrews before, which are great, but they can pull out the plasterboard. Okay, so I got a few notes when I was fitting these the other day for the job. I did come up with a few notes that I wanted to let you know. Firstly, it's the length of the screw. Okay, I've just talked about that. You can get anything that you want. If you're fixing something really thick, you can go for 560s, 570s, 80s, whatever, to get through the thickness of your bracket or whatever you are fixing. The thicker it is, the longer the screw that you're going to need. They come with 30s, which will probably fix something about 10mm thick. Okay, any more, then you're probably going to need maybe a bit thicker, 15mm thick. Yeah, you might need to buy another box of screws. The plastic collar protrudes. I talked about that too. So this is the plastic collar. This part sticks out, and it needs to be that way so it stops up against the plasterboard. Say that's your hole. It's going through the hole. You've knocked it in. It's got those little spiky bits around the edges, these bits, to stop it spinning. But once you've knocked it in, it can't spin and it can't go any further. So you're going to need those. But a mil was probably the minimum the designers thought is doable, but it's tough, durable plastic. Different weights and loads. Okay, so we've got color-coded bags. I went for 74 kilos. Don't know why I did. I think I just went for the size of the hole. So each one, you got here, look, you got 20 kilos, 71 kilos, 74, 93, and 113. Anywhere up to 113, which is madness. That's like me and both the kids. I'm 70 kilos, and these two, probably about all three of us weight. But I do believe that whatever bracket you have, you just need to make sure that you have the right size flat bit. I've got the red color-coded version, which does 74 kilos, and it asks for an 18mm hole. Okay, so if you are going for any others, look in the instructions. It might be a 15mm hole, it might be a 20mm hole, etc., etc. Other things to be aware of is the weights and loads. Talked about that. So whatever color code you've gone for, different size hole, drill bit, etc., different loads. 74. The picture that I put up, the shelf was unbelievably. The shelf, the breakfast bar was unbelievably strong. Can't get my words out. It was very tough. Each bracket had 4, so I put 8 in total. Got really good fixings in all. I could have probably sat on it, and I would have probably been comfortable that it was going to hold my weight. Talked about the dot and dab. Remember, it's a bit risky. If you know the wall's dot and dabbed and you're drilling through, maybe just feel and tap the wall. If it's solid, if it feels more solid than the other places, then you just need to make sure, or use a reader. I don't know if some kind of detector is going to show you that, maybe not. Where the glue is. Yeah, you need about 10mm void for the wings to work, and I think that is it. But overall, they're called grip hits. I'm going to leave links in the description for you. I've used 74mm. I think these will be good all-rounders. You get 15, you get 25 in the box for, I believe, about £10, £12, which I think is great price. And that is it, guys. So basically it says drill it, tap it, turn it, grip it. And it's as simple as that. But I wanted to get this video out today because I didn't want to miss one. I haven't missed one in about 4 years. Hope you did enjoy the video. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Hope you all had a great Christmas. Do you want to say bye, everyone? But Louis, come up and say goodbye to the people. Messy fan, as you can see. And then I'll spin the camera around. And we got Bertie who was filming. He's got the Tottenham away kit. Let me just see the back. Madison, hey. And Messi. All right, that's it from us. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great Friday. We'll see you next Friday. Take it easy. Bye.